Well, good evening, Wonky Astronomer here. Well, after spotting the comet with binoculars 2 nights ago, I decided to have another go tonight. Well, last night it was cloudy, so tonight it's pretty clear. So I was going to have another try with my binoculars, but then I thought, actually, I've got an observatory with a big telescope. Maybe I could use that. Well, good evening. Wonky Astronomer here. Well, tonight I'm going to attempt to photograph Comet NEOWISE through my telescope with the video camera. It's not quite dark yet. In fact, it's still quite bright outside. But I've fired up the observatory and I'm going to salute a Comet NEOWISE now. I'm using Stellarium to control the telescope. Okay. There's Comet NEOWISE. So choose current object, and I'll slew the telescope now to point at Comet NEOWISE. Here's a little indicator showing where the telescope's pointing. Slewing around to the northwest. And I'm not going to see anything in the camera view because I'm just looking at the daytime sky, so it's going to be very bright. Alright, well, it looks pretty dark outside now. It's about 6:07 in the evening, and I think I'm going to try to see the comet by slewing down. So I've got these 3 stars. I'm going to put that bright one in the top left of the field, and then I should be able to just slew down and I should find the comet. Oh, there it is. Yes, a fuzzy object right at the location where I expect the comet to be. I think that's it. Let me just check. There's a star just down and to the right of the comet. Yeah, that would be this one. This star here. It's still, the sky is still too bright to see any of these other stars. So it's not surprising that the comet doesn't look very impressive at the moment.
I have been busy.
Do you want to see a comet?
Comet?
Comet.
Comet. Yeah, exciting.
There it is.
Very exciting.
It's very exciting. See, that's a star. It's just a dot.
Yeah.
These are stars.
Very
But
big,
this
isn't it?
is fuzzy. Hairy.
Hairy.
Yeah. That's what comet means.
Oh, really?
Hairy star.
Oh, hairy. But I really think comet is moving fast.
Well, it is moving fast in space, but it doesn't move fast across the sky.
Okay, yeah.
It's like a planet.
But hairy.
Yeah.
Very good. Thank you.
Alright, I'll go out now and try to see it visually with my binoculars. Yep, found it. Looks like shit. I guess the direction of the tail shown here is roughly right. It's away from the sun, basically. There's the sun, so the tail goes away from the sun. So it's up at about 45 degrees. I think I can see a hint of it. Ooh, something went through there. It looked like a double thing. It's aliens in formation. Yeah, I think I see a tail there. Now, whether it's the dust tail, I think it would have to be the dust tail. I don't think you would see the ion tail with this. I mean, given that I'm only barely seeing a hint of a tail, it has to be the dust tail. Alright, negative. That's interesting. I think that makes it more obvious. It's darker over here than over here. Yeah, I think I can really see a tail now. In negative. Here, this area is darker, and it's extending a little bit down here too. It's a little bit wide. Okay, we've reached astronomical dusk. So this is as dark as it's going to get. So the view of the comet can only get worse now as it sinks lower. It's now at about 15 degrees. Positive image, yeah. I think the negative image shows the tail better. So there you have it. Comet NEOWISE in the southern hemisphere at last. Even if it is a bit shit.